Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is 10th house in astrology. What 10th house represent in our birth chart and what we can assess from 10th house in our birth chart in everyone's birth chart. So here in this video, we will only talk about the major significance of 10th house, what 10th house represent and how we can assess our 10th house in our birth chart. First of all, 10th house represent your work nature, how good you are in your work, how far you can go in your career, in your occupation, in your business. Let's say if you are a job person, then we can see your job related, all the matters to your job, your career, your occupation related matter will be seen from your 10th house. If you're a business person, then your work environment, your nature of your business, how big your business will be is seen from your 10th house. How much authority you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. Your authoritative figures in your life, like your bosses, your superior, your guide, your superior, your bosses. If you are on the authoritative post, is also seen from 10th house. If you're working under someone, like you have seniors in your life, like you have bosses, your work under someone, then this thing is also seen from 10th house. How much fame you will have in your life, like if you're a celebrity, some people have high fame, some people have low fame, like fame on all levels. Like if you're a celebrity, politician, actor, cricketer, etc., etc., some sports player, then your fame will be seen from your 10th house. If you're famous in your community, in your area, in your local region, then this fame will be also seen from your 10th house. Now depends upon the position of your 10th house in your birth chart. How good your 10th house and 10th house lord is placed in your birth chart. This all thing will be based upon the position of your 10th house and 10th house lord in your birth chart. Now let's take an example of Virgo ascendant. For Virgo ascendant people, 10th house is controlled by Mercury because Gemini sign comes in the 10th house. 10th house, as we discussed previously, your authority, your bosses, your superior, your fame, your increment, your promotion, how far you can go in your life, how high you can go in your life, how much fame you will have, how much authority you will have in your life. All of these things is seen from 10th house. Now, for this scenario, you for Virgo ascendant, Gemini sign control your 10th house. So, Lord of your 10th house is Mercury and also controls your first house because Mercury controls two signs, Virgo sign and Gemini sign. So, Lord of your 10th house is Mercury in this case scenario. We are only taking example here. We are not talking about someone's birth chart. You can implement these rules into your birth chart to assess your 10th house and your 10th house lord. Now, let's talk about the different scenarios. First of all, we will talk about the bad scenarios. Let's suppose your 10th house lord is placed into naturally malefic house in your birth chart, like 6th house, 10th house, and 12th house. These houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology because somehow problem, difficulties, and issues are always associated with these houses, as we discussed previously in our transit videos many times. So there are chances you will have take a lot of time to stable in your life, like to fully satisfied with your occupation, with your job, with your work related environment, because these houses takes time to these houses take a lot of time to get matured. After facing a lot of difficulties, after facing a lot of hardship, you will eventually rise in your career and you will be stable. But initially, in these case scenario, you will have to face a lot of difficulties and you will have to do a lot of struggle to thrive on the position you want to achieve in your life. Let's suppose if your 10th house lord Mercury is placed in any house and receiving the aspects of naturally malefic planet. Naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. So in this case scenario, your 10th house lord placed in any house, like let's suppose placed in 5th house and receiving the aspect of Saturn from your 11th house, from 3rd house, in this case scenario, we can expect you will also have to face a lot of difficulties regarding your work related matter, and your mental abilities will also be affected because your 10th house lord is placed in your 5th house. Your work might be connected to cinema, might be connected to fun activities, might be connected to some children's related matter or mental activities. But if some naturally malefic planet aspecting your 10th house lord in your 5th house, then we can expect your stability, your growth in your career will be obstructed till certain age. You will have to face some difficulties regarding your 5th house related matter, some obstacles, some burden regarding your 5th house related matter. But eventually, if your 10th house lord is placed in a good condition, you will have good result in the end. But initially, you will have to face some difficulties regarding your work related matter, as we discussed previously, because your 10th house lord is receiving the aspect of naturally malefic planet. If you are interested in to know the aspects of planets, then you can watch my planet series. In these videos, we have detailed explained about the aspects of each planet. So that's the bad case scenario. If we talk about the good case scenario now, let's take example for the Virgo ascendant. Mercury 10th house lord is placed in your 10th house, in 4th house, in 1st house, in 7th house. Now, these houses are considered as the pillar of any birth chart, because these houses the basic foundation of any birth chart. So, your 10th house lord is placed in 1st house, 4th house, 7th house, and 10th house itself. Then we can expect you will have a lot of ease. You will have great opportunities regarding your career related matter, especially business related matter in this case scenario, because Gemini sign comes into your 10th house and Mercury plays well in your birth chart, 4th house, 1st house, 10th house. Then we can say you will achieve great success early in your life, and you and you don't have to face a lot of you don't have to do a lot of struggle. You will have the easy path in your life regarding your work related matter and your career related matter, whatever you are doing in your life. Either you are doing business or you are a job person. Now, on the other hand, if Mercury is placed in a good house, like any houses in beside the 6th, 8th, and 12th house, and receiving the aspects of some naturally benefic planet, and naturally benefic planets are Jupiter, Moon, and Venus, then we can expect you will have a lot of ease and a lot of support regarding the planet, regarding the aspects of the planet Mercury is receiving in your birth chart. And we also have to look the which houses the planet control, which is aspecting your 10th house lord Mercury in your birth chart. Then you will have the support of these house significance for your career, for your work related matter, and you will achieve a lot of success early in your life without any hurdles and struggle. So this is the simplest way to assess your 10th house in your birth chart. If you want to assess your 10th house in your birth chart, how will be your 10th house related matter, like your work, like your authority, like your fame. So our today's video, 10th house in your birth chart, ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.